How to clear your recent search history on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to clear your recent search history, tap on the search bar on the top right of your screen, and here you will be able to see your recent searches. So you can tap on the cross icon you see there on the right hand side of your screen in order to clear your search history manually one by one. But if you want to clear all your recent search history at once, then tap on the see more option you see there and you will see the option for clear all. So tap on the clear all option you see there at the bottom, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on clear again, and with this, all your search history on TikTok will be deleted. So this was about how you can clear your recent search history on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.